Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. In today's conversation, we're going to practice a very typical and friendly situation, chatting with another parent in front of the kindergarten. So listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to imagine yourself in this situation. Let's get started.
Good morning. Nice to see you again.
Good morning. Yes, it's been a few days. How are you?
Listen and repeat.
It's been a few days. It's been a few days.
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Listen and repeat.
I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm fine too, just a bit tired as always with the little ones.
I know exactly what you mean. How is your daughter enjoying kindergarten these days?
Listen and repeat.
How is your daughter enjoying kindergarten these days? How is your daughter enjoying kindergarten these days?
She really loves it now. The first weeks were a bit difficult, but she's much happier lately.
Listen and repeat.
The first weeks were a bit difficult, but she's much happier lately. The first weeks were a bit difficult, but she's much happier lately.
That's great to hear. I think the teachers here are really doing a good job.
Yes, absolutely. They're so patient and caring. My daughter talks about them all the time.
Listen and repeat.
They're so patient and caring. They're so patient and caring.
Same here. My son loves his group leader. He even wants to become a kindergarten teacher when he grows up.
Oh, how sweet is that? Kids really get inspired by good teachers.
Listen and repeat.
Kids really get inspired by good teachers. Kids really get inspired by good teachers.
By the way, are you coming to the summer party next Friday?
Yes, we wouldn't miss it. I heard the kids are preparing a little show.
Yes, they've been singing and dancing at home for days now.
Listen and repeat.
They've been singing and dancing at home for days now. They've been singing and dancing at home for days now.
Mine too. She even made me practice the song with her.
Listen and repeat.
She even made me practice the song with her. She even made me practice the song with her.
That's so cute. I really hope the weather will be good.
Me too. It's always more fun when it's sunny, especially for the kids.
Do you know if we should bring anything for the buffet?
Listen and repeat.
Do you know if we should bring anything for the buffet? Do you know if we should bring anything for the buffet?
I think the teacher mentioned it yesterday. Something small, like fruit or cake.
Okay, thanks. I'll probably bake something simple.
Listen and repeat.
I'll probably bake something simple. I'll probably bake something simple.
That sounds perfect. I'll bring some fruit then.
Are you already planning something for the summer holidays?
Yes, we're going to visit my parents by the sea. A bit of beach time for everyone.
That sounds lovely. We're staying here this summer, just taking it easy with a few-day trips.
Listen and repeat.
We're staying here, just taking it easy with a few day trips. We're staying here, just taking it easy with a few day trips.
Sometimes that's the best. No stress, no long journeys.
Exactly. And the kids can still enjoy the playground and swimming pool nearby.
True. It's nice when they have friends around too.
Listen and repeat.
It's nice when they have friends around too. It's nice when they have friends around too.
Yes, they really build little friendships at this age.
Definitely. Oh, look! The kids are starting to come out now.
Yes, time to pick them up.
Listen and repeat.
Time to pick them up. Time to pick them up.
See you at the summer party then.
See you. Have a lovely afternoon.
You too. Bye.